Hello, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps to claim the Ridge warranty. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides on warranty claims and tips. To initiate your Ridge warranty claim effortlessly, just visit our website and follow 3 simple steps. These steps contain crucial information about the Ridge warranty procedure. As you scroll down, you will find the email address provided to get in touch with our customer support team. You are supposed to tap the support button at the top to contact the customer support team. The contact page is categorized into 6 sections. What you need to do is click the warranty title, where you can file a warranty claim by providing the required details. The needed information includes your name, email, order number, and purchase location. Once you fill out the form, the customer support team will review the details you have provided and strive to provide you with a replacement for valid warranty claims. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.